So it's looking like they don't got the frame done yet. So we're about to drop these off. The lady just reached out to me. So that was a huge blessing because they're closed on weekends. They don't open until Monday. Oh yeah, they got all of these. Damn, that purple look good. Look how we coming. I'm telling you. Got all that black. We got this purple going so crazy. I really wish I had a light in here. But y'all see it, man. Y'all see how we looking. It's so dark. Green color on it. Oh my God. What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. We out here in LA trying to get a lot of stuff done right now. But the weather is crazy, man. It's nuts. I ain't gonna lie. Being on the freeway and everybody out here driving fast and nuts. Oh man, it's crazy. But anyway, we pulling up to my mom's right now. We about to go ahead and grab our packages for our 2015 and a 2019. We got 2 crash bars, an inner outer fairing, some Harley bags, and we got some risers. So we about to go ahead and pick that up. It came yesterday, but I pulled off too late to grab it. So we're about to go ahead and do that. I gotta head to the Powdercoat shop. Hopefully they done with the frame, and then I can drop off all the other parts that I have in the back of the truck so we can go from there. But make sure y'all enter the win to the Silver Bullet giveaway right now. Today we got 10 spots for 1 hat, man. You get a red or a blue SLIDN HIDN cap. You get 10 spots into the giveaway, man. We're almost sold out, so make sure you get in to win it while you can, because the time is now, man. I'm telling you. We're about to go ahead and get it in, though, man. I'm super excited to see these parts because it's been long overdue. So we finally about to get it on the way, man. Yes, sir, man. We put up to the Powdercoat shop right now. We're about to go ahead and drop all these parts off right there. We got from the house, so stay tuned. Hopefully they got some progress. So it's looking like they don't got the frame done yet. So we're about to drop these off and get all this stuff on the way. I got my bag of screws for the Allens that I need. But yeah, we got a lot of parts in here we about to drop off. What up, YouTube, man? We back at it early in the morning. Today is about to be a crazy day because yesterday I really wanted that frame powder coated, but it was not done. So that gave me a huge setback because I wanted to have that thing complete. But the lady just reached out to me, so that was a huge blessing because they're closed on weekends. They don't open until Monday. But she was kind enough to open it for me this morning for me to grab my frame and my powder coated parts. So I'm about to head out there right now to go grab all of my stuff so I can bring it back home today and we can get to second place on the way, y'all. So understand that, man. We got everything we need at this point. We got to just go to Harley, probably grab some legs, but it's time to get this show on the road, y'all. I'm telling y'all, it's game time. I cannot wait. Make sure y'all enter the win to the Silver Bullet giveaway, y'all. We got first and second place, man. I'm not gonna lie, the way second place is looking, we might be juiced up, man. No time. So get in the window while you can, man. We slide, not hiding. Y'all see what's going on, man. We about to hit this freeway and head to LA and get her done, man. Yes, sir. So we done finally made it to LA. As y'all see, man, this weather is crazy right now, but we gotta do what we gotta do, man. That's the whole thing about it. I'm amped up, feeling good. I'm just so happy that I could get the frame today because I'm telling y'all, yesterday I already knew. I'm like, man, we're not getting the frame till Monday. I done let them all down, had everybody hyped up. But hey, if there's Dre, there's a way, baby. We about to slide, man. We on this freeway getting it in. I'm telling y'all, it's game time. I would love to stop and give me a new windshield for this truck because this has been seriously irritating me driving every day. But the people by Antonio's shop told me I got to pre-order and all this other stuff. So we're going to get that going probably tomorrow because I got to get that painted to Antonio ASAP. So we're going to do everything we got to do little by little. But for the meantime, between time, man, y'all see what's going on. We getting it in these LA streets Saturday morning, getting to it because it ain't nothing but to do it, man. Yes, sir. Woo. How you doing?
No, thank you for coming.
Man, nah, so I'm like, as long as you gave me the opportunity, I'm like, I'm going to try to hurry up and go as early as possible. I know I don't want to wait all the way until Monday. No, that's for sure. Cool. Damn, that purple look good. Dang, this look hella good. You know, I'm for sure get it. I'm just glad you guys are able to do it. Yeah, this is just like that blue. It's crazy how these colors be like the, oh shit, that cat scared me. Like the darkness but clear. But nah, it look nice. Look nice as hell. Hell yeah. And then you said you was able to do the black parts too?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, I walked right past it. Oh yeah, the bars. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Perfect. We done finally made it back to the house, y'all. We got my boy boxes. We gotta get the homie and me to the paint. And we got our powder coated frame, y'all. I hope y'all gonna like it. We got everything blacked out. I know all of y'all was saying, nah, Dre, don't do it. but look how much better everything look. We got everything powder coated black. All that chrome stuff we got blacked out. I'm sorry to the chrome lovers. I wanted to get into it, but the next one we're gonna get there. But we got this thing looking amazing. It's crazy because this thing is really about to be out of here, but we're gonna enjoy it for the time we got it and make it what it need to be. Cause I'm telling you, we're sliding or hiding, man. Hey man, we done got everything laid out in here. Oh, it's crazy, man. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know how y'all liking this powder coat in the colors, because I'm telling y'all, if I would have listened to everybody that said, man, no, Dre, just keep the bike. Everything be taking so long. Just hurry up. If you gonna wait, let's do it. Like, why would you want to wait for a regular looking bike when you can just go a little bit above and make it look that much better instead of me just trying to fix the paint? Like, and I know y'all would have loved it, but look how we coming. I'm telling you. That black. We got this purple going so crazy. I really wish I had a light in here, but y'all see it, man. Y'all see how we looking. It's so dark. It's like, it look dark black, but this thing got a mean color on it. Oh my God. Yeah, man. Today is the last day to get in at 10 spots per entry, per hat. I'm telling you. Get in to win it while you can, man. This is about to be one of y'all bikes, dog. We got everything buzzed down, powder coated from the rooter to the tutor. We got the motor over there. We're gonna go get the new legs from Harley, put the slip-ons, and have this thing looking just like that, man. I'm telling you. See how we coming? We got all the paint, gas tank, rear fender, side panels, bags, inner outer fairing, crash bars for both of these bikes are in those boxes. That's getting dropped off Monday. Powder coating that, powder coating this one, but I'm telling y'all, man. We for sure sliding or hiding. Y'all see what's going on, man. We getting there little by little. Man, we got first place and second place looking good. I'm telling you, it's game time. The Silver Bullet giveaway is almost sold out. If you have not done it yet, get in to win it right now while you can. You can get each sliding or hiding hat at 10 spots. Today only is the last day. I'm telling y'all. Y'all see what's going on. We got this thing looking juiced up. I'm loving it, man, for real. But y'all see how we coming? I'm about to go ahead and get to it and catch y'all in a minute, man. Y'all see what's going on. So we just left Harley, and it turns out I was wrong. I thought I could just go and buy the tubes fully complete without the sliders on there. But we went to Harley, and the tubes that they showed me was completely gutted out. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm gonna try to find some complete before I go through the loops of that. But if I don't buy it tomorrow, I'm gonna go ahead and go back to them, get everything I need, and call it a day. But we got a few other parts that we needed for our 2015 and for our 2019. So stay tuned for that. We got a few little parts. We got some brand new cans. As y'all seen, we just purchased those cans right here when we got these back from Powder Coat. Those black cans look nice and perfect with the black legs. So y'all see we got the fresh legs powder coated right there. It's only right we get a brand new set of cans because a lot of the cans I do get on these salvage bikes are demolished and damaged. So it's only right to come back with a fresh new set. So we got that. We got our outer primary gasket for the motor. We went ahead and got top rocker gaskets, the middle rocker gaskets. We got our cam cover gasket. We got our, I forgot what is this called, but I know what it is. It's for the push rods. We got that gasket for that right there. I had to give me some bolts for the cans to hold these joints on. And then last but not least, we got our handlebar extension. So it's game time, y'all. I'm telling you, it's time to go up and make this stuff happen in real life. I'm telling you guys, I can't wait. We got the wires for the bars right here. The chrome bars are the one that came off of this bike. So we got the wires already in there. We just got to literally plug these extensions up, wire those into our new handlebars right here. And like I told y'all before, I got another load on the way. If anybody want to purchase a set of handlebars from your boy, those are it on this bike and on all the other bikes I've done. Right now I only got one set left that's fully powder coated, nice and clean, hanging right there. But y'all see what's going on, man. We got a few pieces. I didn't get everything I needed. I really wanted to get the legs, but outside of that, we still got all the gaskets for the motor. So like I was saying earlier, I'm gonna go ahead and disassemble these trays, get that up off of there, powder coat that, and then we're going to get this thing powder coated right here off the transmission. But besides that, we got everything on the way. I'm telling y'all, man, we are in it to win it, man. I know y'all is. Let me know something, man, because I'm telling you, we coming little by little. Y'all see how fresh this frame is? Just know this could be in your garage, fully put together, because I'm telling you, we are not doing this for nothing, but we're getting there little by little. That's why I'm happy. The paint is finally here. The crash bars arrived. We're about to get this to Antonio tomorrow. I got to just get a front fender in LA. Besides that, we got everything else we really need here. We just got to finish ordering the rest of the, finish waiting on the rest of the internal parts for our fairing. But y'all see what's going on, man. I'm telling y'all, I'm loving it. I can't wait. The next step is going to be for the Silver Bullet 2019 right here. We got to get those rims in LA, and then we're going to have that motor coming, man. I'm telling y'all, the time is now, so make sure you enter to win it while you can. Yeah, man, I'm about to finish dazing and looking at these parts. I'm not going to lie to y'all. I'm not in a rush. Like, I'm in a rush for show, but like I was saying earlier, I was going to immediately put the motor together back onto here, but I'm not even going to play myself. I'm going to go ahead and take this stuff off, get these last chrome pieces right here powder coated black, fully assemble everything back together, and go from there, man. I'm telling you, I cannot wait, y'all. Y'all going to love the way this bike is going to look, because I'm telling you, I could have been doing this, but it don't matter. The time is now. We got to just keep elevating our game, growing and elevating, and that's what we about to do. Yes, sir, man. We done finally got the motor completely stripped down. I'm excited because I'm telling you, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I usually never do this. I usually powder coat the pieces I already have off the bike and call it a day. But I told myself this time I'm gonna do something a little bit different like I did on my first bike when I did this motor, and just do the extra little mile that I don't do. So we got all the chrome off of the bike. I'm gonna powder coat everything, get it nice and clean. The reason why I didn't do what I wanted originally to do today was put the motor on there, get it as a roller. I don't want to rush and do that because I still have to get these Allens and these washers, and I don't want to use these stock bolts that's all hella dirty and whoop. So I'm gonna make it the way I want to make it, and it's not gonna take no time. I'm getting all that this week, so we're gonna have everything on the way. We're gonna get the paint to Antonio tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. I can't wait, man. I'm telling y'all, I'm excited. I hope y'all are too. Everybody who entered the win to the Silver Bullet, just know the time is coming. We're about to be going live, and everything is about to be on the way. That's why I'm trying to get everything fully complete this week, so everything could be 100% given away with the winners rolling and sliding, not hiding. So that's how we coming. But y'all see what's going on, man. We got everything laid out up over here. both the crash bars, the rear fender support, both of the middle trays with the brake, the actual side bracket, and the push rods, the cover, plus the transmission top piece. So all this is about to be wet, clean, looking good. Just wait on it, I'm telling y'all. Y'all see everything else in here over there. We got everything wrapped up. Shout out to the winner from Sacramento, bro. You really blessed me in so many ways. You don't understand. I got everything labeled and packed up, even to the screws. I forgot where that bag is, over here somewhere, but we got everything organized. Shout out to my guy for that, man, because that really helped me out in a huge way. But y'all see it, man. I can't wait. It's only the beginning. I'm telling y'all. Stay tuned, man, because it's only getting that much better. But like I said, man, I'm going to catch y'all in a minute, man. I appreciate everybody for tapping in with your boy who entered the win, because I'm telling you, the time is now, man. We about to really go up and make it happen. So take advantage of the opportunity today. Get into winning for the 10 spots per SLIDN HIDN hat right now at $50. I'm telling you. Once it's over with and done. But like I said, man, we sliding our hide. I'm going to catch y'all in a minute, man.